guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a long time and it's only been a week since the last video. I just decided to take a little break. My daughter was on the winter recess, so I decided, to have some quality time with the kids. Today we will be doing a makeup look with the new palette from BH Cosmetics palette. They're doing again this travel series. I think it's a super cool idea, but to make this video fun and a little bit different. So the palette is Los Angeles, LA. It's in California. Everybody, I assume everybody knows that. So because it is a travel series, I decided why not mention some cool parts that we could travel. Before opening the palette, why not start traveling to LA? First, we have the Runyon Canyon, so I'll post a picture over here, which I think it's a super nice place to go if you like hiking. Then we have the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but we have the Griffith Observatory. I also think it's super nice. I've never been to LA. I lived in California, but not in LA. Of course, we have the Hollywood sign, which I think everybody is supposed to go and visit that place. We have the pink wall, which so many people post pictures on Instagram of the pink wall. We also have the angel wings, which I think also it's a super nice painting. Have the Santa Monica Pier. We have the urban lights too, which is so romantic. And of course, we have the Disneyland Park, which I think it's bigger than the one in Florida. We have Universal Studios. Also have the Hollywood Boulevard. Also have Rodeo Drive and Sunset Boulevard. And I think these are the only ones I found it where you can't miss out if you go to LA. I really want to go to LA and I really want to someday live in LA. Here is the front of the palette. It says Los Angeles and on top it says BH Sunset Boulevard. Then on this section that it's like a stamping, it says Lost in Los Angeles and it says arrive with an airplane. And here we have the palette. We have 16 eyeshadow colors. And here we have the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Here it says BH from BH Cosmetics. I think it's super cool. And also it says Lost in Los Angeles. Here we have the 16 eyeshadow colors. Here we have Malibu, Runyon Canyon, which it's the one we just mentioned for hiking. Lax 9210. Why does it say 9210? Okay, hold on. I have to look this up. Why, if you're in LA, do you guys know what does it mean 9210? Is it like a zip code? Oh, okay. 9210 is, I believe, is the zip code of Beverly Hills. Oh, Beverly Hills is another place that we could travel to. I mean, could travel to, visit. Oh my God. Oh, we have the 405. Okay, now what is the 405? Okay, so the 405 is the famous highway in California. Oh, the 405. Oh my God, this is super cool. Okay, so we have the 405 Melrose Weehoo. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing it right. We have again Rodeo Drive, Rush Hour, Ambit Canny. Oh goodness, Ambit Canny. Oh, we have Starbucks. That is so cool. We have Sunset Boulevard, the AB. The AB. Okay, what's the AB? Dreamer, The Hills, and City of Angeles. What's the AB? The AB, it's a food and bar. I've said it's a food and bar, but if you guys live in LA, correct me if I'm wrong. So we don't have any color over here to set my eyes. I'll be using the Too Faced palette and I'll be using Banana Date. This is from the white chocolate bar. So because I need to set my eyes, I'm just going to do this really quickly. I think this is super cool that BH Cosmetics I think this is the second time they're starting again with their travel series. The first color I'm gonna go with is Weehoo. Oh my god, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's this peach color. So we're gonna use this color as the transition color, and I'm going to start applying this on the crease. I wanted to do something dramatic, like going on the outer part of my eye, but let's make this one different because I've been doing a lot of makeup with the same length, the same type of makeup, so I just want to switch it a little bit. Cute, very pinky, very pastel. That, by the way, all the pastel colors are coming. The pastel colors are coming back really hard, especially also on the nails and the clothes. And oh my goodness, I'm living for the pastels for the spring and summer. So now we're gonna go with this beautiful blue color, which is called LAX. I've seen that LAX on the airline tickets. Let me know if I'm wrong. I'm gonna start applying this on the outside of my lid, and now with this makeup, this pastel colors, this hairstyle reminded me from this song, I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world, I'm a plastic, it's fantastic. From the 90s trend is coming back so hard again. Who like the 90s styles? I like it. First of all, at the beginning I didn't really like it, but it really reminded me from my childhood. But now I'm like, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh goodness, it is so pretty. Look at that. I bought a palette, like 2 palettes from BH Cosmetics. It's been a long, like more than what, 2 years that I bought a palette from BH Cosmetics, and I didn't really like it. I feel like because they were not so pigmented, I stopped buying their products until now that I saw that they were doing this travel series. I mean, I follow them on Instagram and everything, but I wasn't really into their palettes, and now I think they changed their pigmentation because this is so nice on the eyes. It is so pigmented. Moving on to the next color, I'm gonna go with the 405, and this I'm going to apply it with a flat brush. Lid. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. Do you guys see that? Okay, I need to be close. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to. This makeup look, the colors and everything, it really reminds me of the new palette from Artist Couture. Oh my god, it's called, is it Blossom? Eternal, is it called Eternal Blossom palette? It's beautiful, it's stunning, and it has this blue and then the peachy color. Very nice palette too. I'm done with the upper part of the eyes, and right now I'm just going to be off camera really quick. I'm going to do my the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back with you. Okay, so I'm back. I'm done with the face, and by the way, while I was doing the rest of my makeup, I just noticed that the eyes look like the Morphe Oasis palette. Look at this. This is so cool. Anyways, the thin brush, I'm gonna get again this beautiful blue, the LAX, and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush. If you guys can see. Oh wow. Okay. So now we're gonna go again with the 405 highway. But why is it so, if you guys live in LA, like why is it so, I'm not like, I don't want to say like a big deal, but what is it about this highway, like the 405? Is it because it is really packed, or everybody, it's the highway that really gets you to everywhere? Like why is this highway so special? Now to finish with the eyes, I'm gonna go with this glitter is it like a silvery-ish glitter eyeshadow, and it's called Rush Hour. Put this on the inner corner. Ooh, I like it. It's color also on my brow bone, just to have some pop of glitter. It doesn't look that bad though. Just gonna do really quick my lower lashes. I'm gonna use the new e.l.f. mascara. On top of that, I'm gonna use the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal that I also did a video on this. The link down below if you guys haven't seen this, haven't seen the video, or you guys are new to the channel. Really looking for like nude lips. So if you guys recommend me one, it can be pricey, not pricey please, not pricey. To be honest, I don't want the pricey ones right now, or affordable ones that there's like nudes, like very beautiful nudes, flosses, lipsticks, matte lipsticks, doesn't matter, but I really want like some affordable nudes. So I'm gonna go right now with the Beauty Creation Sheer Lipstick. And on top of that, I'll be adding L'Oreal Gold Mirage Lip Gloss in the color Crush Quartz. But let's say for this makeup look, I love so much. I really don't want to take this off. It's so pretty. I love how it came out. So we haven't played with all the eyeshadows from this palette. I'll do a different makeup look for my Spanish channel and also for my French channel with the same palette. So you guys saw the pigmentation is super pigmented, this palette. If you guys like to have basically colors that we don't use every single day, I really recommend this palette. If you like this idea of mentioning places that if we would go to LA, we would go to this different places that I mentioned. If I missed anything that we could go to in LA, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. Had so much fun coming back. I was so excited. I mean, I'm still so excited. Love this makeup look. I'll leave the link down below of my social medias, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. I'm a remote. How do you call it? Oh, okay. Thanks.